Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Toyota Prius. First, find the cruise control stalk, usually on the right side of your steering wheel. To turn the system on, simply press the on/off button located at the end of this stalk. You'll know it's active when a green indicator light appears on your dashboard, letting you know the system is ready to be set. Once the system is on, accelerate to the speed you wish to maintain. Then, push the stalk down to the set position and release it. Your vehicle will now hold that speed. If you need to adjust, simply nudge the stalk up to increase speed or down to decrease it. Each nudge typically changes your speed by 1 mile per hour, offering precise control. There are a few ways to cancel cruise control. The easiest is to simply tap your brake pedal, which temporarily disengages it. You can also push the stalk forward to the cancel position. If you want to return to your previously set speed, just pull the stalk up to resume. This is handy for quickly re-engaging after a brief slowdown. While cruise control is convenient, it's crucial to use it safely. It's best suited for open highways and consistent driving conditions, not heavy traffic or winding roads. Always stay alert and keep your foot near the brake, ready to take over at any moment. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.